The Nature Consortium's 13th Annual Arts in Nature Festival is held August 20th and 21st at Camp Long, featuring art and music in nature.
Hi there, I'm Nancy Whitlock with Nature Consortium, and we're here at the Arts in Nature Festival at Camp Long. And the Arts in Nature Festival is the founding project of Nature Consortium, which has been around for 14 years. And this is a celebration of art and nature at Camp Long. And this year we have some amazing performances booked, like the Moondoggies, Legendary Oaks, Casper Baby Pants, who's about to start performing right now, and Trimpen, who is in the Museum of Sound. He's a world-renowned sound sculptor and inventor. So please come over to Camp Long and enjoy. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, and I'll be here the entire time.
1, 2, 3, 4. Little baby, little baby. Baby's getting up, baby's getting down, down. Baby's got a smile, baby's got a frown, frown. Baby's getting up, yeah, baby's getting down, down. Baby kick the left, baby shake an arm, arm. Baby make a noise, baby make a baby kick the left, baby shake an arm, arm. Baby roll around, baby do the crawl, crawl. Baby walk around, baby use the wall, wall. Baby roll around, baby do the crawl, crawl. Hey, little Mozart, now kick it, woo!
Renowned kinetic sculpture, sound artist, musician, and composer Trimpen created both an indoor and outdoor installation for the 2011 Arts in Nature Festival.
Well, the fire organ or the pyrophone goes back several hundred years because scientists used this as a measuring instrument before they had multimeters or whatever. The flame is a very sensitive instrument or a sensor. So with the movement of a flame you can detect a lot of different things. So it's nothing new to make sound with thermodynamics. But it was never really used as a musical instrument. But physicists, they was aware of it, of course, for the last few centuries, that any kind of moving air column makes sound, and through warm air is rising up the tube, creates an air column, and that makes a sound, and that's what we hear all over. They are all over air columns. Like the sound you hear is just created with air. There's no loudspeakers, no nothing.
I'm Toni Mikulka, and I'm working with Sarah Lovett on a project called Giant Puppets Save the World. And we are here with our giant flying birds, our Jagaru Deva Tree of Life installation, and we will be flying our giant puppets around the park later on with some volunteers. So giantpuppetssavotheworld.com, and like us on Facebook.
Here's $9.99 for you. Little mellow version. I am a little bear, so cute with fuzzy hair. Once upon a time I was so nice. Now I'm loved and hugged no more, and I'm stuck here at this store. $9.99 is my new price.
This is Pat Robinson for WestSeattleHerald.com.